Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from a textbook. First, you'll learn to preview chapters effectively, getting a quick overview of the content. Then, we'll cover active reading techniques, ensuring you engage with the material deeply. Next, discover how to take concise, useful notes that aid retention. Finally, we'll discuss powerful review strategies to solidify your understanding and recall information easily. Let's get started. Before diving into the text, take a few minutes to prepare. Begin by scanning all headings, subheadings, and chapter summaries to grasp the overall structure. Pay attention to any images, charts, or graphs, as they often convey crucial information visually. Look for stated learning objectives or questions at the beginning or end of the chapter. This initial preview helps you activate prior knowledge and sets a purpose for your reading. As you read, engage actively with the material. Highlight or underline only the most important concepts and definitions, avoiding over-highlighting. A great technique is to write questions in the margins that the text answers or questions you still have. After reading a paragraph or section, pause and summarize it in your own words, either mentally or in your notes. Try to connect new information to what you already know, building a stronger understanding. After reading, it's crucial to consolidate your learning and review. Recite key information aloud to yourself, as this helps reinforce memory. Create flashcards for important terms, definitions, and formulas, using them for regular self-testing. Actively test yourself using practice questions from the textbook or other resources. Finally, try explaining the concepts to someone else. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Consistent review is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.